So to install this starter application inside an Android device, you can either connect your mobile with this MacBook or you can create an Android emulator. So here let's minimize this emulator and then click on this device manager icon. And there you can see a default Android emulator created by me. But in your case you might not see anything here but a create Android emulator button. So upon clicking on this button you will see a dialog similar to this one. And here you can select the device for which you want to create an emulator. Like we are going to select Pixel 7 and then click next. And there you will be able to see the list of Android versions. So here you can select the latest version or the versions you like. Like we are going to select this Android 14. So just select it and then click on this download button. So before creating an Android emulator containing Android 14, we need to download the zip file for Android 14. And there you can see this download started. So now we need to wait for this download to be completed, and then we are going to create an Android emulator and install our application inside it. So now the downloading process is finished, so just click on this finish button, and after that you can see this Android version which is currently downloaded inside your macOS. So just simply select it and then click next, and after that you can select the orientation of the device and then click finish, and our Android emulator will be created. So there you can see after creating it we got this Pixel 7 which is containing Android 14. So to launch this Android emulator, click on this run button, and after that minimize this bottom box and also minimize this top box so that we can see the emulator here clearly, and it will be there in just a second. And there you can see the emulator is started and you can see the basic interface of this particular Android device. So once it is ready, you can simply select it from this drop down. So there you can see this Pixel 7, so just select it. And after that we are going to install the application inside this Android emulator. So now our application is installed inside this Android emulator. So let's increase its size so that we can see things clearly. And here upon click on this button, this count is increasing.